Welcome to the installation video of the ARIES black aluminum 6-inch oval side rails on a 2015 Ford F-150 SuperCrew. During this installation, we will be using a lift. However, the use of a lift is not required. These are the tools needed to complete the installation. Starting on the driver's side, locate the 3 mounting locations. The mounting brackets are universal and will fit both the driver and passenger sides. Starting at the front mounting location, place a nylon washer over the factory bolts, followed by the bracket. It is important to put these washers on first to prevent a corrosive effect from the aluminum body and steel bracket. Next, add an 8mm flat washer and secure with a nylock nut. Snug the hardware with a 14mm socket, but do not fully tighten. Repeat this for the other brackets. Carefully place the sidebar onto the brackets, with a larger step pad toward the front. Next, insert 4 T-bolts into the bottom channels of the side rail. Slide the bolts forward to the frontmost bracket and insert them through the cradle. Repeat this for each bracket and attach the hardware with 8mm flat and locking washers and nut. Snug the hardware, but do not over-tighten to allow for adjustments. Position the side rails into the desired location, check for level, and adjust if necessary. Tighten all of the hardware. Repeat this entire process on the passenger side. Remember to do periodic inspections to make sure that all hardware is secure and tight. To protect your investment, we recommend you apply a layer of non-abrasive wax. Congratulations on the installation of your brand new ARIES 6-inch oval side rails.